Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to show fingerprint icon on lock screen in your phone Vivo V29 Pro. When you lock your phone, this is called a lock screen. Here in the bottom center, you will have usually you will have fingerprint icon. Okay, if you keep your finger on the icon, then it will be easily unlocked. Okay, if you already set fingerprint, that fingerprint icon will be showing here. Okay, but if it's not showing here, you will find difficult to find out the position of the fingerprint sensor. Okay, so this is called fingerprint sensor. Okay, if you would like to show fingerprint sensor, the fingerprint icon on lock screen itself, then yes, you follow this video. Just go to the settings of your phone first. Go to settings, then go to security. And here select fingerprint and try your current pattern for authentication and confirmation, and click on show fingerprint icon on off screen. Just turn on this button so that fingerprint icon will be showing on lock screen, that is off screen. Okay, now lock your phone and see here fingerprint icon is showing. This is the fingerprint icon. If you place your fingerprint icon, then it will be easy for you to enter into your phone. Okay, so it will be easy to find out the position of the fingerprint sensor. This is the position of the fingerprint sensor. So icon should be there. If it's not available, follow this video. In this way, you can easily fix fingerprint icon not showing on lock screen in your phone Vivo V29 Pro. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.